This is the ELA week of April 16th activity list and is due on Friday, April 20th. Required for 2 times, read to self and practice your power goal. Check the box when you've done it. For work on writing this week, required for 15 minutes. Using the compost resources from the resource area, create an informative Foursquare plan to tell what you know about compost. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. Using your Foursquare plan, write an informative draft about compost. Independent. Reflect when you're finished. Required for 10 minutes. When you are finished with your informative writing, score yourself and edit your writing using the rubric in the resource area. Independent. Reflect when you're done. Required for 10 minutes. Complete the Insects Fix-It activity in the resource area. This is independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. And optional in writing this week, trade your writing with a partner and score each other's informative writing draft with a colored pencil using the rubric. Write your buddy's name on the line. Reflect when you're finished. For reading comprehension this week, required for 20 minutes, read the book Rocks by Grace Hanson on Epic. Then complete the sheet in the resource area. Independent or pair, write your buddy's name on the line, and then reflect when you're finished. For foundational skills this week, required for 20 minutes, we're doing antonyms. So find your color and do the worksheet on antonyms. Independent. Reflect when you're finished. Required for 5 minutes, scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. Independent. Reflect when you're done. For social studies this week, choice for 20 minutes, read Johnny Appleseed in the text collection book on pages 50 to 69, or scan the QR code and listen to Johnny Appleseed. Independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. Required for 15 minutes, then complete the questions in the resource area. Independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. Listen to reading is optional this week, so don't do it until you've finished everything else. 15 minutes, listen to a story on Raz-Kids on your level. What is the title? Take the quiz, write down your score. Independent. Reflect when you're finished. Good luck this week.